Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, welcome to the MX Social Show. Now, today, you see me in the Manchester United shirts, right? It is about to go down. Now, let me tell you, see, this season, your two team are about 5, about 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. If we score you 3, means say we will consider you. See, the greatest footballer of all time, please, if you want to argue, you have your phone, argue with your phone. The greatest footballer of all time, Kwadwo Ronaldo, is back at Manchester United. And ladies and gentlemen, you see, your defenders, they can't break their ankles. See, this season, I see a team, and see, we are winning Champions League, we are winning Europa League, you be winning Ghana Premier League, you be winning, Miss Mal, everything we are winning. Because see, you people don't know what is happening. And you see, this transfer window, it has been one of the greatest transfer windows ever. Like the caliber of players moving left, right, center. I mean, if you bust my mind, Mbappe, smallest time, go left, go Madrid, and Messi to PSG. Charlie, this transfer window, and can't bust my mind. But what I'm trying to tell you people is, see, when they draw you with Manchester United in any competition, give up. Give up and go home. Because, see, yeah, if you know what is coming, now, see, I'm going to dedicate my time to talk about the team today. Transformer because it is my team. Yes. Opportunity. I know I can. If you're a Chelsea fan, I hope that my guests, none of them be Chelsea fan, because if they be, really go vex me way, the show don't go end well for any of us here. But what I'm trying to tell you is Manchester United, we are back. We didn't even go anywhere. But at the end of the day, now, welcome to the MX Social Show. My name is Kwadwo Sheldon. The head is big for a reason. Now, it is about to go down. Tell your squad, say, the agenda, man, me, I sit down. As I sit down there, and near me, see this weekend, and a lot of things happen, and we are coming to talk about it. Now, you can join the conversation, you understand? This show, it is for us. It is like the democracy, for the people, by the people, for the people, with the people. I hope I got it right. If I didn't get it, my government will be like I get F or something. So let's move on. Now, join the conversation on our social media platform. On Facebook, you can drop your comments in the comment section. As you comment, then you share, then you tag people, you tell them, say, the Agenda King is back on your screens and it's about to go down. On Twitter, use the hashtag MSSocial, what you are saying. Now, a lot of things happen, what you are saying. We will talk about them. When I come back from the commercial break now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll go introduce my guest. And we'll go straight into what happened during the week. We will scatter it to every angle, make you understand. Where agenda must agenda will agenda. What I say. And if your favorite person is involved, that one there, now your problem. Me, I will talk. If you meet me for time, you won't beat me. I just go. Just stand your face, then you slap me, then I move. What I say? Because yes, it is part of the job. Occupational hazard. I have accepted my fate. Now, but I will be back. I will be back. Welcome back to the MX Social Show. Now, as I said, join the conversation on our social platforms. And Charlie, I'll be reading some of your comments. And Charlie, drop your comment. Tell people, say we did live. It's about to go down. Now, let me introduce my guest. I have Brush. Brushupgh GH. Brushupgh GH. Okay, so you are a stylist, makeup artist, and a content creator. Yeah. Oh, you create content, eh? Yeah.
Oh, no, just all catch me.
Oh, me person me be say who scar na scar woman ma be join. So you do it on YouTube or?
No, I've not started my YouTube yet, so it's really on TikTok.
What kind of content do you do?
Makeup. I just create fun around makeup. Mostly.
Okay. So if I come see you spoil my face, I
can make you look like Moisha.
Ah, God. He said she make me look like Moisha. Moisha and mental health.
Oh.
Come on. Anyway, so I have Vynkay also here with me. He is a musical artist in the country. And at the end of the show, we go put them on the seat, make he do some freestyle. If you flop for you, you go end up on your hour of the day. Yes, that is what we do. What's up, bro?
Bro, I did.
I like you. Yeah. If I go if you do something, go be me.
Oh, I go feel welcome give you.
How you go wake up? I don't.
This
There's
one,
no hope for me.
I did try dash this one, you see.
Me, bro. There's no hope for me. I can't do it. But anyway, what is? I mean, the rundown. How is music treating you and all those things?
You know, we just did.
Okay.
We are in the game. You know.
In the game.
However, we're trying to make it.
The industry they treat you well.
Oh no, bro.
They know, in the industry they know they treat you well.
Oh no.
Oh, what the industry do you?
You know.
Oh, talk. Feel
More
free.
things they you know.
More things
you
like
know.
I don't know. Tell me, bro.
Bro,
Tell
you
me.
know.
Oh, no,
you
me,
know.
I don't know. I don't even know we have an industry. So just tell me what is happening. What is happening? What?
It be tough.
It be tough, eh?
Yeah, it be tough.
Okay.
More talent, you know.
But they know
some,
they spy you
some
and-
parts of the media too, they do it, you know.
Then they take your money, chop and
see,
thing. You go if you mention him, I like violence.
No, not yet.
You people be fear Jesus Christ.
Not yet.
Anyway, so do you like football?
Yeah, I like
Which
football.
team do you support?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Yeah.
You like football, right?
Yes.
Which team do you support? Don't say Chelsea, please. Please don't do this. Which team do you support?
Now I'll go for Manchester. Let me explain.
Don't understand. How are you now going for Manchester
so,
United? Okay.
I was with CR in Real Madrid. I
Okay.
went with him to Old Ladies, and now we are back to Manchester. So do you
so
understand
you are
the trend?
CR standing.
Exactly.
Oh, so right now you're
Yes,
a
yes,
United
yes.
fan.
United.
Regular.
If he goes to Shuffle Wednesday, anywhere I'm following him.
Oba, you're quite United crowd support.
Mendy.
Okay, but what do you think about it? This particular transfer window, like the way
Ronaldo.
serious
Ronaldo,
matter?
you will not say it when he bust my mind.
Ronaldo,
Yeah,
when
the way he move quick,
Yeah.
bro, fastest transfer.
Now, but I mean, Messi to move to PSG and all those things.
Messi when he say, then it be obvious, like,
Okay.
yeah, the rumors come, but Roro, he just entered there. Like,
You have been following Ronaldo for how long?
Since undergrad, I guess.
But were you surprised when news popped up that he's moving to Manchester City?
So it was, I think yesterday that my brother told me. He's
Yes.
like, he left a kid and he's back as an adult. I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? He's like, Ronaldo is coming to Manchester United. I'm like, okay then, let me just change my
But then he was moving to, the news out there was that he was going to Manchester City. How did you feel about that one? Because they are rivals and he had, like a front. Anyway, but how did you feel about that one? Were you
I think it's a great, oh no.
about the City move? If you had ended up at City, it will vex you or something.
It's
Or you will still
Ronaldo.
support him. You don't
say Kwadwo United. Now City. Kwadwo. Not City.
Wow. So you will support Ronaldo at Manchester City.
At the end of it, it is Ronaldo for me. That's it.
Jesus Christ. Anyway, as I said, we are winning the league. We are everything. Give us everything. We shouldn't even. As for the EPL card, therefore just cancel them and say, oh, Manchester United might win because Sancho, Ronaldo, Rashford. Yeah, what Bruno ni Pogba. Now, Fred. Yeah, bro, Fred. That's why our defense there. My boy, I say fridge. So I find them and say, but it shall be well. Anyway, let's move on to our topics for today. I'm sure you've heard about what happened in Abesim, the man who murdered guys and put their meat in fridge and all those things. He has been arrested and the investigations are ongoing. But what would make someone like Charlie? What would trigger somebody make you kill people? Cut them like them be meat, then put them in fridge.
I'm still thinking about the whole issue. It's just crazy. It's absurd. I don't know where to put it. That to take it behaviorally or to take it psychologically.
Do you think it's psychological? Like about them?
No. Because Sheldon, when I heard the news, I heard the guy is a commentator over there. You understand? So this guy happening to be a commentator.
That's the guy.
Yeah, you understand? So commentator there, you see, the kids like him more. So they go to him.
Yeah.
And he was actually denying that he saw the kid when they were looking for the missing kid.
And eventually they found him.
He was part of the people looking for him.
You see, so this guy actually...
Look at this.
Yes, if the accused is,
Jesus.
for instance, mentally ill, it will only take a recommendation by the court of jurisdiction to actually help to say whether or not.
But in the end, if they find out that he's mentally unstable, I don't think they are going to put him in a mental home. And me personally, I'm not a competent court of jurisdiction or whatever. Exactly. But if they vex me, say if they find out say he be mentally unstable, I then go put down for mental. This thing where the guy do it, he be mad. Personally, if I had my way, I would not say it.
It is pre-planned.
Like, bro,
the person sat down to really.
This is like a planting, orchestrated thing, like. And the way it be like he sell then he used to sell cow meat or something, because the way he's packaged human meat fine in fridge. And how do you even sleep?
For this, I'm really sure because he had kids to deal with. Imagine having your head in the fridge.
I don't understand.
Loud.
Oh.
Loud. And this guy actually
no, wait, I did come. Wait.
Type of cool guy.
Are you trying to drag my head into this thing? Are you saying my head wouldn't go into the fridge?
No. That's okay.
Did you come here to drag me on my own show?
I am not dragging you. What I am saying
what has my head got to do with what
I am saying is the vulnerable people are kids. Kaswa, it was kids.
You didn't get anybody's head to use as an example. Say me.
This is not the first time this is happening in Abisi.
Why my head? Talk to me.
But your head won't fit in the fridge. That's it.
I know, I'm not head.
It's just a high sense.
God. Guys, forgive me. I'm okay. Well, like, so you were saying something.
Sheldon, see, this guy, it's he actually looks like a very calm guy.
Yeah, he doesn't actually look like a criminal. I don't know how criminals look like.
So, actually, the community has to, you understand, be mindful of people like that. You understand? You can't actually trust anyone.
But how do you? How you can't? This is like a normal person. You wouldn't know, say, oh, this guy has like 4 bodies in his fridge or something like that.
So I'm trying to say that you see, we most of us have actually focused our minds on the guys with the dreadlocks and you understand, the bad guys, but we have people like this in our societies that we feel like.
From sources, the guy has a history. He actually sacked his father from the house that he stay inside. One thing I feel is Ghanaians, we are not very particular with mental health.
Okay.
But it happens to all of us.
Okay.
Undergrad, I fell into depression. My parents had to come from. It wasn't like mad depression, but then I was crying and all. I didn't know what was wrong with me. But because of the stigma attached to people who goes to mental health clinic and what's not, people will. Do you think his family member or any of the people around him wouldn't know the person is not kind of okay? If you are not feeling well, won't someone know?
Oh, they will know.
Exactly. Exactly. If there is a tweak in the way you do your things, people will know. And then Sheldon and exactly. So there should be a family member who actually saw the guy, or when who say, oh, I did a boy, and I said, the way a boy behave, it's not really something that normal of the guy. Yen fanon comment at home, yen checking it out. But because of this, exactly, the stigma, if you will, you bab. If you will,
anyway, so yes, as I said, the guy has been arrested, and investigation. Do the hell and make a thing. Anyway, so let's move on to our next story. Now, this is about you see, when I hear people argue on social media, say give the youth a chance, let the youth be in charge of this. It's funny me because see, when you give them the chance, it's kind of be dinner. When a forefathers self go mad. Me say the youth they are share only a worse. Now, this happened in UDS. The SRC people over there built a bus terminal, 63,000 Ghana cedis. They budgeted for that and they put the bus terminal out there. Ladies and gentlemen, please, if you have the picture, oh my God, hey, blow. If you have the picture of the look, no, this is not this is the school. I need the. This is the 63,000 Ghana cedis bus terminal.
You don't see.
Yes. This 63,000 Ghana cedis. Give the youth a chance.
6,300.
No.
63. Look, give the youth a chance. Look at what they are doing. And they built it in the middle of forest. Maybe for their ancestors. Or look what is happening.
Very bad.
And this is happening across the campuses. So the SRC executives, some of them are going to meetings in Mercedes and things. Me see the next time I go hear say anybody they talk about give the youth a chance, I mean then the person go fight. Because see the youth then be worse. Ladies and gentlemen, look. What do you think?
Just I mean, the American pool.
This is 63,000. So imagine.
When you said 60, I thought 6,000.
No, 63. That's the budget. To build a terminal.
No.
You've been to uni before.
Yes. I mean, in KNUST, we had similar issues. I think it was either with Dukes or one of the SRs. I mean, it wasn't my problem. But just as you said, if we, the youth, the people coming up, we have this as our vision, then it means the whole government or the whole political curriculum of Ghana.
You know what? They actually mentor them into political spaces, you understand? The SRC
Exactly.
Most of them are from Tain, Tescon, and all those things. When they are done with school, they are dragged into the political sphere.
People who just come there.
And wait, me fix the country.
Debbie, we can't go and question someone in government if we are equally doing this. How do you question someone?
People bashing the government official.
Oh, yes.
Fix the country and things.
And the government official wasn't tell you, Momo Bambe, yes,
and it's true, they will do worse.
Yes, Sheldon here, SRC president, and Kobe worse.
Oh, no, me, no. Me, you basically see hostels.
Hostel, they just say KNUST.
Loud.
Now, oh God, things are happening on campus. When you go to KNUST like this, students are battling with hostel owners about prices and all those things. And their SRC president, oh my dean.
Sheldon, I won't cut you off. I paid 6,500 a hostel when I was in undergrad.
For what? A semester or what?
No, a year.
A year, 6,000. How much is your school fees?
My school fees then was 970 something.
So you are paying more
almost
for
1,000.
hostel.
I promise. Victory Towers, room 1001.
Hey.
Yes.
Yes.
And no one seemed to be bothered.
Yes.
It's normal. Everybody is living it. The moment you question, it's like you're the old one out. It's normal. And SRC comes, me who the SRC I am mami working used 4 years now me call even Legon postgrad me who the SRC Legon you need the same graduate president.
Anyway, talk to me.
But you see, bro, we might have better people amongst them, but those people might be overshadowed. You understand? Because if I say me shower, me maybe me could have good mind now. No killer. Or killer, so you can give me the influence, you understand, and it will make me change and feel like, oh, actually this was a game. Because even me with my music, and before I came into this music scene, I was thinking everything was actually going to be smooth like that, you understand, but I've realized that
you have seen your smoothness.
You know, because there are places that I go that I see this person having potential to help me or having an interest to help me, but the people around the person.
Oh, okay.
At least for but you don't actually follow the story.
Okay.
You understand? So things like this, I feel we have people amongst them who had their mind, but
now, so at the end of the day, this is what they are doing, and this is this is something we shouldn't even encourage. But at the end of the day, you see, we can't be doing this and turn around to come and fix the country. And I'm not saying that the country shouldn't be fixed. But if you are trying to fix the country, and this is what is happening in our tertiary institution, then what is the point? I want to understand. Because look, what the budget with from this, you they start with this kind of budget. Now, if you enter the proper government, is any
yeah, so Sheldon, many person can say, you see those people who are like good-minded, you know, shouldn't be allowed to be vibed on this kind of stuff. You understand? Because you see, it's all in the American.
Okay.
You might have a good mind, but you drew honor you obi wo no bit man say dream. So you should.
Nah, but I mean, anyway, let's move on to our next.
Sheldon, me, I'm a good person, but this is the 3K. If SRC president can tell me, say, oh, Moku use 63K do something small like this. I mean, I like money.
So you too.
So if
you see the mindset you have.
yeah, you
The
see
youth.
youth.
You see the youth.
Yeah, he had a
Have you seen the youth?
If it be clean move.
Oh, what is clean
Yeah,
move? What is clean move?
clean about this?
You see the youth.
Oh, they like
The youth. Give the youth a chance.
Exactly.
The youth.
yeah.
Yes, look at it.
if it be
If it be clean, what is clean about
What
this?
is clean about this?
This one.
What is clean about what we are talking about?
At least they even do one. What if they no do one?
No. So what? Are you trying to encourage this or
Oh,
what?
no, I'm not encouraging it, but if me, I'm a good person and I happen
You
to
are
be
not
in
a
the
good
midst of
person.
those people.
Forget that.
Yeah, you understand?
Right now, we know so anything
yeah,
we get,
yeah.
I will chop.
Yeah, clean move.
We need
bro.
to eliminate you from the system. You are one of the. Now what is
But
clean
you know
about
they've come out to say
Yeah, because me
the
too.
thing is not true.
What is not true? That is the blame game they have been doing. They have someone sent me a budget that they said. The SRC president issued a statement saying.
Mine is who controlled the expenditure of the SRC.
So-
We should start it from there. We
We
should start it from there because if this was controlled, I don't think it would have been overruled.
First of
Control.
that is when even a bus
Control.
terminal. That be like some rest stop.
Yeah, that's
In
what
a
I'm talking
bush.
about, yeah.
In a bush, how can you do that?
Bro,
A bus terminal
most
in the
of
middle of a
us,
bush.
bro, most of us.
It is not most of no.
If we were to be in these people, like in their shoes, we'll do more than that. You know that. Bro. Sheldon, you know this. You know this. And
please.
people are even doing more than this.
Which people?
Those cases are
Do you
being
have
covered.
names?
Those cases are being covered.
Do you
because
have names?
When I saw motor partner, and they are all
Sheldon, you tell Mahama Kobrande.
Buses.
Ex-president Mahama Kobrande.
It's the mentality. So what I say, it's the
No,
mentality.
let's move on. But please,
Bro,
we are not going to use this platform to encourage people.
No.
There is nothing good about this.
No, you see, what brought legit money? That's it.
What are you talking about?
And
Anyway,
then
we are moving on. Please, we are moving
I'm
on.
about to-
Don't listen to him. Do not listen to him.
Yeah.
He's a bad influence. Don't listen to him.
Very, very
so
bad
we make
one.
a chance to make me remove you.
No. Okay, yeah, my chance. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. And this one is very sensitive because of the person involved. Now, first of all, if someone meets you for street talk where he tell you, say, Charlie, you for contribute, let's say 100 cedis towards the building of a cathedral, you go do them. Like, yo, give me 100 cedis, make
Bro, it depends. So
Like, you will have to justify it. That's me.
bro,
They
it
are going to
depends.
use to build a house for God. National Cathedral, I'm sure you have heard
Bro,
about
it
it.
depends.
Will you
Money
give,
given to God is worth it. I would have.
you contribute?
Yes, exactly.
Will you contribute?
Yeah, on
the basis for God, I will.
Yeah, you understand.
But if Osroni Efia, why are you building house for God here? Because Osroni Efia.
Because we don't worship in isolation. You understand?
Nah, but wait. My question is, now, when did God tell you people saying your landlord is Sakam? So in your house?
Information.
No, I won't know because no. On your coupon of Musi at Edina, I'm not sure God spoke to anyone and said, please, my rent is due.
What call Rome that?
Minko Rome that. But let's all be serious here. Now, the national chief imam, he has donated 50,000 Ghana cedis towards the building of the National Cathedral. And people vex. People vex say, you know, like he could have used the money. Someone even says he could have used the money to buy dustbins for the Zongo communities, what they are saying.
Yeah.
So they don't understand why the national chief imam would donate such an amount of money towards the building of a national cathedral. What do you think about this conversation?
But I feel like this is a step to actually promote peace in the country. First of all,
We have peace already. Peace high, the no day there.
Not people.
No, but wait, do we not have peace?
Oh, beside the, you know.
No,
Yeah,
but
well, peace and Kobia Kumobi will be seen. And you
Hold
are
on, yeah, what about
Beside
that?
the media, but you see, and because when you take Afghanistan right now, the Taliban are taking
it's
control.
crazy.
Yeah.
It's
You
crazy.
see, because they feel like
Let us
they
come
are-
here. Let us come
you
here.
know.
Forget the Taliban. They should Taliban
Or you
themselves.
feel like say bomb go feel
Let
like-
us let us concentrate in our country.
Yeah.
Do you think people have a case saying he could have used the money for other developmental projects in the Zongo communities other than donating it towards the building of a cathedral? Do you think
Bro,
they have a
it's-
case?
it's
Why?
not-
Why?
It's not weird, bro. Not
It's
weird.
okay.
Bro, it's very okay. Because this actually coming from Chief Imam.
Okay.
Bro, and Chief Imam, bro, we don't joke with Chief Imam.
No, we are not joking. We are just saying,
you get me?
People
But,
from,
yeah,
even
that's
people
what I feel
from,
like. That's what I feel like. I feel people like the Chief Imam, you understand, have like
First
the
of
best
all-
decisions to make.
yeah, but they are not about reproach.
Yes,
know.
Sheldon, let me come inside here. What I want to say is it is very laudable for the chief imam to do that.
Okay.
For instance, we can only test peace if we leave it.
Okay.
The Muslim,
Bars. We can only test peace if we leave it.
the
Bars.
Muslim community and the Christian community seems to have a very good relation. With regards to what the chief imam
Into who Pache said.
the American say, someone should just not sit there on Twitter or any social media platform and come and say that the man could have used the money for something.
But do you not think that they have a point?
It's an
no,
opinion, though.
let me come. I'm not done with my point. What
Okay.
I'm trying to say is this. If we don't have peace in Ghana, if there is a fight between the Christian community and you remember the fight between the Ghana and people and the Christians with regards to beating of drums, something around homo. Did you see how they had to call an expert like Kena Hoso to come and solve that issue?
Yeah.
So if we have a fight between the Christian community and the Muslim community,
But there is no fight.
no. If we have a fight between the Christian community,
Which is conditional.
relax,
we don't
relax.
have.
If there is no peace in the country, what will be the use of a dustbin? That's the point.
I don't, but
If
so
we
what,
don't have
what will
peace-
also be the use of a cathedral?
It's a
we go
signifying
take praise
peace.
God.
That's it.
The cathedral is signify peace.
No, the donation
praise
of
God.
the chief imam to the Christian community to help build the cathedral is his personal recognition of peace.
What I'm trying to let you also understand is we have peace. If we hadn't contributed
you
the money,
have peace.
do you not have peace in your life?
Only maybe I'm saying.
I don't. What's Afghanistan? no.
Mayama.
No, what I'm trying to. No, I want us to get this right. So are you saying, that people saying, he could have used the money to do something significant in the Zongo community?
You think
Do
supporting
they
the
don't have,
cathedral is not significant?
to some people, it is not significant.
Exactly.
Because
we
have
can't please
listen,
anybody.
listen, we have pressing issues in this country. Do we not have pressing issues?
But
So hospitals, cathedral, which one would you pick?
So, scale
No.
of no. The Maslow's theory of needs.
This is not social studies. Please, hospital, cathedral, pick.
I'm well, cathedral.
You are going to pick a cathedral.
I am well. You see,
bro,
priorities.
I'm gonna pick hospital.
I am well,
But
cathedral.
with the
Do you think you are the only person that they need the hospital?
You gave me the opportunity to pick me. The
yes.
opportunity.
No, but pick on behalf of people. Hospital, cathedral.
Which people? Give
the,
me.
the vulnerable people in society, people who can't get access to hospitals
Have
and
you
all
heard
those
about
things.
divine healing before? I'm not going into the Bible. I'm going into Christian perspective. But then, have you heard about divine healing?
Yes, but divine healing, people there in the deplorable areas are divine healing, no, they get there. They need hospitals.
National Cathedral, they feel say the spirit will come there, you know, that spirit's gonna be heavy. So that one I go feed the heal more people, you get me?
To be area, they should go to the National Cathedral.
Yeah, they feel like.
Do you believe in that too?
I am not
Yeah,
saying you'll be
yeah, you
area.
will
Oh, area for hospital.
And if there are no hospitals, what are you talking about?
No.
If there are no hospitals,
There are
you are
hospitals
sitting here
around.
telling me, say, oh, you're a hospital,
Bro.
but there are no hospitals, and you are going in favor of cathedral.
More fundraising about cathedral.
No, you see,
Near the sea
we
hospital.
are what we are doing is we are talking about. Let's go in line. The chief imam gave money to the Christian community for a cathedral. So
Yes.
let's take it from that angle.
Okay.
If you are taking it from the general angle of hospitals, cathedral,
Yes,
we would deviate.
because the premise of the argument is based on the fact that we have other pressing issues for him to go and
Every
give
issue
50,000.
is very, very, very important. Every issue. Every issue is pressing in Ghana.
Ladies and
Every
gentlemen,
issue.
let's move on.
From cleanliness to Zongo community buying dustbin to a cathedral. Everything is very, very pressing.
All right, no problem. Me personally, I know the.
You dey go church. You know they go
I dey go church.
For where?
Go church.
Oh no, I can't say my church on television. No.
You see.
Please, let's move on to the next topic.
You
The
live
next
in
topic.
divine healing.
The next topic. Now, you know there are people on social media, they move to celebrities left, right, center, thinking say they don't have feelings. That is what I do. But that is what me I do. Don't
It's
do
your
it.
job.
It's my job. Now, this guy from Nigeria moved to Jim Ike. And you know Jim Ike is a bad boy in movies, and in real life he will beat you like drum. This guy made some comments about this guy. Ike looked for the guy See, no be small beating. So he
The guy
beat him
knew
like
the
he beat about the bush. If you have the video, he beat the guy
The
wrong.
guy you the hope
Yes.
of glory, Jim Hike.
See, you see what?
Jim Hike.
Yeah, so yes, that is the guy. Yes, then go catch him. Yes. He said, how did you find me? Ah!
Okay, you know what? I want to talk to you. Okay, are you holding me? Maybe you think it. That's why hold it.
So let me give you guys context. This guy made a statement about Jim Mike saying he said Jim Mike like he they live extravagant life and all
Buying
those things.
shoes, I think I have the story. Buying expensive shoes.
Yes,
and
so
cars and
the life
business.
they live there, he they sure say your man go from when you go past the back or it be illegal source of money for him. Why
Who
I say?
determines illegal and
So please, if you have that video, they play it for me so that we go get the balance of the equation. Then we'll move to the guy. This is the guy.
Best dress. Look at my shoe. Just check out my shoe. Look at my dress. If I tell you how much I buy this clothes, look at me. Just look at me. I don't even understand why they never put me for best dress for Nollywood or for Nigeria. Every time, Hush Puppy. Every time, Cubana. Every time, G-Mike. You know what they do to make their money? Do you know what they do? Maybe now they don't catch Hush Puppy. They don't catch him now. They go catch others. Just wait, especially that G-Mike. I won't make them catch him. Small thing, he will disappear. You don't go see him. Before you know, you don't come back. Money full every year. What is he doing? What are you doing for living? I'm sure that G-Mike is a ritualist. If he's not a ritualist, where does he get money? He go buy a motor. Go and look at the car he's driving. Go and look at it. The expensive. How much? Where is he making it? Me, I make my money legally. Now I hear say Jimmy no fit enter America. Why? Because you don't go do people wayo. I'm praying they will catch you very soon. Tell us how you make your money. Come and tell us. They will catch you very soon. Just look at me. I'll be going on a movie location now. Check out my shoe. If I tell you how much I buy them, I'm the best. I'm the best dressed. Make all these people make them come up, make them retire, make them leave us. We don't know how they make their money. Jimmy, do you know how he make his money? Cubana, you know how he make his money? They don't catch us puppy now. They will catch Jimmy very soon.
thanks for the
We
information.
yeah the G Grammy. We yeah the G Grammy money. How is a man so angry at another man for living his best life? Talk to me. I don't understand. This is why they beat him like drum.
To me, I felt it was he had the points, but
Which
he
point?
He went so like he went.
What is the point? Establish that first.
I feel like what he has seen, you understand?
Okay.
Maybe Sheldon, me then you day here. As he say you day no pum, you study through money.
Let
you
us
study
not
do
use
money.
me for example. Do you know G-Mike?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Do you know what?
I'm on a point.
Okay.
I'm on a point. So if I see you spending, if I see you doing flashy things, I'd like to know what's happening.
Why
understand?
do you
But
think it is your responsibility to know
where
my
I feel
source
this is
of-
negative?
Are you GRA?
Yeah, but
Are you Ghana Revenue Authority?
I'm trying to base on
Okay,
something.
base.
You understand? So
Income
um,
tax.
Yes.
I feel like what he has seen, is making him talk. But what he's saying, I say, or per se, you understand? He's going like detailed, like he's being detailed over the whole issue. You
Yeah.
understand? Also, what G-Mike side, because I know Cubana too. You understand? And he's going into G-Mike's like assets because it feels like G-Mike,
Why?
Why?
You see, that's not his job. This is being unnecessarily nosy.
Because
Talk to me, talk to me.
It is being unnecessarily nosy.
Right.
It is not your job. It is someone's money. You went to the extent of calling the guy a ritualist. That's bad.
that's
That's terrible.
Yes.
You don't have to do that. If the guy goes ahead to sue him, right? What will he do?
You know, see how he beat him.
That was
say no, they
overreacting.
settled
No,
it.
that was overreacting. Yes, that was over. You don't have to.
But the guy's video wasn't over.
No, we are not in a state of nature. You just can't beat someone.
I could do same because if you try to defame me,
one would drag Palma drag. Oh, so what's your drag Shatawali or Rahaboa?
Oh, no, Shatta no go fit stand my face. Like me, then you go do one. Shatta, he's my hey.
Charlie, you can't talk.
He play with the play. But you say what?
Because if he managed Jamaica, can you know? And he managed
so you know, say Jim, he managed to he started to make money then time.
I was trying to also come from.
He has signed a lot of brand ambassadorial deals.
But I feel like he went too much, and he going too much. Maybe Jamaica coming to me moving.
So do you think the beating is justified?
Oh yeah, me, I go move to you, trying to defame me.
You will move to him. You take the law into your own.
That wasn't ideal for me. I feel he overreacted. He could have just taken another.
But he has feelings.
I understand. Who doesn't have feelings?
Yeah, but maybe you want to break points with that.
My name, my career, bro.
No, you see,
he's been doing this for years.
If this video was the reason why Jim Ike hits the guy, then he overreacted.
Oh,
no, I am saying
if they call you a ritualist, you are cool.
No, you see, there are other means he could have actually sue the guy.
I'm not sure.
No, and I make sure when you stand with them, someone no man now on when you stand with them, on Sansu you bottom, but me akasa on sa on him, bottom. So one no ban now on sa. O sue no same way when the ne ho abra or the ne ho aba boy no level. Sorry, I don't know the guy's name, so I'll be saying.
So you wanted him to be the bigger person.
Exactly. Take the bigger hat. You are say why what's say
scapegoat no.
Okay.
So you think every other celebrity should be going on racial? No, it's not ideal.
No, because me personally, taking over 15 years to build a career, my name, and you doing something like this, bro, I can move to you.
But she's saying that she could have, he could have sued the guy.
No, if it was me, guy, no, they call baby Jim, exactly, Jim and so but he could have kept this whole drama. He could have kept this whole drama by just going straight to the law court or the police. Hey, this and this is what someone accused me of. So kindly take the due action you guys are supposed to do. Now what do you know the number of attempts you will move to him when you become that celebrity? Never move to someone.
Oh, you don't get what I mean. Because if me a Sarkodie, maybe is ne brand and or send or no portray no. So that you say. But we have some celebs, bro. He didn't get it on like some normal platter, say papa no do the
one. Ghana had the
yes.
Ghana had the family.
And they know
my brother Dilab, my brother, I'm always fighting with my brother. He likes family. But me, I don't dwell so much sadness. I don't want to be depressed. But they be
so the family story, bro. The story like,
let's digress. Let's get back to
bread. But if you are going to base on your bread to hit someone, it's just not ideal.
No, bro.
It's just not ideal. I feel he overreacted.
Okay, take your movement. Your movement.
I go move to you.
Let's take our movement to the next topic. Now, Shatawale is in the news again. This time around, oh, Yabeka, or I'm my best friend. Oba on your show. Now, them call him for Radio Top. The presenter, the Bizam, say, why you don't get hit song this year? Yeah, imagine say you have access to Shatawale, you call him for an interview. Then the first question where they come out of your Shatta this year, why you no release hit song? Ladies and gentlemen, I understand Shatawale now. In fact, at this point, I support everything Shatawale they do.
Like, why would you do that, Sheldon?
Okay, but audio, ma'am. If you have the audio play, we see.
People have said that it's been a while Shatawale had a hit. Do you agree? That's why you are calling me. Me? Hello. Yeah, hello. Yeah. That is why you have called me for MTV Awards. No. Good. No, let me tell you something. Yeah, all right. Beyonce did a song with me for over 1 year. She didn't release a video. The next year, she released a video. Over 1 year, she has never said anything about it. This year, we are hearing a whole lot of good news. The documentaries are going to come out, things. You see, Ghana, I've said on my Facebook page, I've done on my Facebook Live, I've told people that I've graduated from this childish talks. Jay-Z is there. Nobody's telling Jay-Z that it's been a while since Jay-Z released. So nobody asked her, oh no, for the next year you're going to release any song. She came the next year promoting the same song with this video. Don't let us try and misinform and miseducate this upcoming artist and feel they can record every day. No Ghana artist can record like every day like me. They will die.
That one we know. I guess if you do 100 songs,
do your research and go on YouTube and be checking on the songs I release. If it's dancehall and you don't like it, don't play it. But if you feel this is Shatta Wale's career and we are building it, because we know Shatta Wale is a dancehall artist, he can do a little bit of Afro, he can do songs for girls, he can do songs for kids, he can do songs for... That is what you have to promote. I just released both ways. None of you are promoting it, and you're actually with.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Shatta Wale putting the presenter for in place inside. But the question, talk to me.
In all case, seek wisdom.
Oh, people just a presenter, not dream of form.
Men can't say not dream of form.
Okay.
But what I am saying is, there will be a or reasimono. Making sure say a lot of wisdom at home. This is similar to one presenter who interviewed, I think, Obama. Yeah. And he went like, how does it feel being the last black president to ever hit the United States? And Obama went straight and was like, how does it feel to be the last time you are ever interviewing a president? Imagine having someone as great as Shatta Wale on even a phone call, Wafa. And me brusher. Me. Akwa krafa me call only maybe a meto. Okay. Shatta Wale have our call. You couldn't do anything to better yourself and the place you work. And you went straight to go and ask about a hit song. Who determines a hit song in Ghana?
Maybe he determines a hit song.
Who died and made him a demigod?
Oh, that's what I find personal.
No, we don't have to do that. You see the way the guy was going. Some young artists, no, your friend saying pressure, son. I feel omoba gidi no more be sheguku. Omoba gidi. Charlie, let's not do this.
So the question was irrelevant.
No, it wasn't.
Okay. And
I feel he could have put it in a better way.
Okay. And it's real true. He's been releasing songs on YouTube. You know,
20 songs.
20 songs. Where I feel like both way should be promoted. Like
that song promotes Ghana culture and like really did.
But it's not happening.
Yeah,
it's not happening.
So what do you think about the question that I asked?
No. You shouldn't come here and ask me that question.
If they ask you are an artist. If they ask you, how would you react?
When I will get hits. People have been asking.
So when are you releasing a hit song?
Yes, when.
Hit song, give me grace, so I no go fit force hit song. So I the beg, give me space. Give me space.
I just want
space. First, Zarvelis commune needs to be one.
No, yeah.
Kobe. Mr. Kobe. Because I need space.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Mr. Kobe.
But you see, do you think this kind of questions they put pressure on artists and all those?
Oh yeah.
Are you not pressured?
Yeah.
In the industry, are you not pressured?
Yeah, we are all pressured.
So you feel like you are not doing more?
Do you know the mistake? The hit actually does not bring the money.
What? Hit songs don't bring money?
It doesn't bring the money.
How? Why?
You know,
you
have to be prepared. You have to get things done.
Okay, things
before, like digital platforms where you can actually take your royalties, because when you come to Ghana no they pay.
Stoneboy said he since he started doing music, 2,000
Ghana cedis.
Can you imagine?
You understand? So you see, we have more artists who come with the hits, like Onya hits by grace, like luckily Onya hits but once and or bre. You understand? We still have artists like that, or bre, like, and then the obre, because one shishen yama ye and sana hits nearby.
Okay.
To hits nearby and you who may be a scan koi.
Okay.
So from because Gamro is not giving.
Since we are on Gamro issue, play Stoneboy's video for me. They will step on their next man. Play that video for me.
I'm telling you on camera, this is Stoneboy. I'm telling you. The amount I've ever gotten from making music as royalties, however, from Ghana is 2,000 cedis. I'm being honest, and I swear on the grave.
A lot of other artists are getting.
A lot of other artists.
No, but what about all these songs that your songs that they are being played almost every minute?
I'm being honest. Put me to it and let's have this conversation. It's there. The conversation is big in Ghana anyway. They know, but among some of our people who think it should be done already, they don't put their minds over it. I'm telling you. The check I've ever cut is 2,000 Ghana cedis from Ghana.
Oh, but that's serious.
Making music, I'm not supposed to. For instance, it's not by force to go on the road and tour and perform. Those are subsidiary income. But for the creative material that zero. We go there every time. I went there with my lawyers.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2,000 Ghana cedis. Ah, boy. Then it's also for me, or 2,000 Ghana cedis. Wait, if you're an artist, how you know go be like, no, let me just stop. Because look, you are an artist. What do you feel about it?
Yeah, so you see, so this matter, I know be today where we started talk this matter, bro. And yeah, the big men have been fighting for this, but I don't know who it has to get to before it will be like
you said Gamro, I'm in charge of copyright.
You get me? And I'm saying royalties name Emba.
Because 2,000 they charge.
Omaka but still Emba. Into me like nipa was say situate like assembly drone inside and sana Oma address issue, you know. You get me? And imagine Stonebwoy 2K.
2K. Talk to me, Stonebwoy 2K. If it's quite normal, you know, major 5 years.
Imagine some me artist.
Na ya.
That bang. So the mini voice, mini rap.
I think someone made a statement that the artists have been making the music game look easy, so we have more guys coming in even when the talent's no day. Yeah, and it's true. You understand? Because me, if you see me right now, you go think everything be okay, bro.
Right?
Bro, if it's not royalty, the Shacrosses, the Pablo, Starboy, them, bro, maybe. So. Oh, bro, what done is bigger, bro. Those people have been helping me. So, you see, they will see me and feel like, oh, Vynkay, no, you're okay. Challenge you necessarily, you'll be able to my Bobby, challenge you one Bobby. No, thinking that. But, and you know one thing, most of us think hits, no, Oba na Ubonyum 1, 2, 3. By luck, third one, the befa. But it's wrong. Yeah, backdoor things be wrong. Some things we do as your honor.
So these are intentional things you have to do to make sure
you understand
your songs.
I think the industry should come up with a plan.
Promo, money.
But then you understand, sir, you admit that the industry, we have a problem.
Yes, the industry should come up with a plan on how to support even artists.
Because you see,
2,000 they are not
eventually some of these people, they will retire and we have to go and do GoFundMe to support them.
Exactly.
It'd be sad.
Bro. You know, if Jay-Z retires right now, his royalties can feed his family.
I mean, so we are dropping one song or broach it to what you do.
Exactly.
Yeah,
bro, I have a friend in UK, Obonyum. Bro, to me, like, bro, level.
You see,
it's okay. Like, it's okay.
Somebody go to drop one, you know, the soundtrack.
It's okay.
You eat for the rest of
DJ Khaled Betiemu Bakope. DJ Khaled Betiemu Bakope.
Another one. Will be doing the rest of his life. I know. 2,000 Ghana cedis. Anyway, let's move on to the northern region. This artist is doing an amazing job over there, Makasio. I think last weekend he organized a concert and he was able to pull about 11,000 people to a stadium.
Yeah.
And man, like look at capacity, the videos, man.
Full capacity.
The artist from the and it was raining like this was
raining
throughout the rain.
It was raining.
This is what the artists from the north they are doing, and I don't think we highlight on their works. Like it be sad. This is what Makasio is doing over there. Fancy Gadam has been doing it. They are doing it over there, but when people prefer
even the lady.
We are like all this. They are doing amazing. Like bro,
Yala is an amazing talent.
Look, Europe, like
look at this.
A throne concert.
Are you not entertained?
Wow. 11,000 people.
Charlie, see. Tamale Stadium.
The throne concert.
Yes.
Wow.
And he brought in medical and all this. Crazy, These be some of the things before. Because see, it's not easy. This be concert in Aduam. Like he organized his own concert. Normally you don't get our artists doing it because of logistics and all those things. But look at what one artist from the north has been able to do. I feel like the media, we always concentrate here, Accra. Even the Kumasi people, if you know be Asaka, like we no go mind them.
Yes.
You understand? See.
But most of them they wait to make Macasio can pay.
I mean, how do you expect?
Yeah,
look at what he has done.
But you see, and it's okay. I like their energy there. He them fancy Gadam, then they feel okay for there. Like then they try control them a crowd for there.
Home is home.
You get me? And by here you see, I'm home too. I'm home. I'm from.
No, but they said. I mean, so when Fancy Gadam did the concert over there, they said, "Oh, this is your stronghold," and blah 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 blah.
So
the guy came to Accra. This the boxing stadium, the new how did
Azuma was in.
No, there's Manche. Bukom Arena. He filled the place. So he came from the north, came to Accra and filled the place. You can't deny greatness.
Talent is talent.
You understand?
Talent is talent.
I mean, my problem is the fact that we don't highlight some of their works.
Oh yeah.
It's like this thing is not being trumpeted enough in the media space. And it's sad. Bro, 11,000 people, you people for here, when your concert, any part appreciate greatness. If I don't mention it, you will go vex. But people for here be mainstream, then they do, it be 3 people they show up. Their mother, their father, and their sibling. Let us all be serious. Shouts to Macasio. Now, Sarko there to his tour in African countries for the No Pressure album. And I feel like the intentional publicity the guy they create for his work, although he's been in the industry for more than a decade, as compared to some, you see, once again, I'm not going to mention him. There are artists in this industry, they drop projects, they drop the link and the artwork, and they go to sleep. And they expect the fan base to do the job for them. You see, I will not mention him. I'm respecting myself today. That is not how they win Grammy in this world. People go for drop album, then dip. They don't go do interview, nothing. And they expect it to work. When the thing doesn't work for them, Ghanaian people, they don't support them. Please. Look at what Sarkodie telling body, a chairman of African Union, moving from Tanzania to Kenya to Nigeria. Look, you think you know tired? You think say you know if you go sleep for your house? Now, I'm not watching. Dropping you. I'm not saying say tour African countries. They don't even do anything to promote this. They just drop it and they feel like we don't have money. We all don't have money. We all don't have money. That is Sarkodie. Intentional publicity. Yes. Entering the African market.
Sarkodie is a great talent. We want
over 10 years.
10 years of
and I
being
love
in the
support
industry.
from Nigeria.
Look at that.
The Nigeria flags was loud.
Exactly. And he's like he's pushing himself.
Yes.
He's pushing his talents. He's pushing everything. See, you are going to Kenya. How many people in Kenya can speak to you? Or can even understand your language? But here, some of the artists are too relaxed. For instance, they just wait for the streams to hit like 500K, 1K, and they are happy and they are celebrating.
Mafia today inside, bro. Mafia day inside.
No,
what is the mafia here? He's the one pushing himself.
No, this is not mafia.
Sarkodie. He has places he can go to.
Yes. We are not saying tour African countries as an artist. Of course, if you don't have the fans, there are other ways and means you go make sure you get close to your fans, the audience that are consuming your content. Because at the end of the day, that is what is going to trigger people to go and stream. If you drop the album and dip, if you drop the single and dip, who? If your mommy then your popular goes so for you.
We all come from a community, so you will have to pick yourself from there.
Do you know what? When you release the album or the EP and you are doing the shares and you are doing more stuff to let the people actually recognize the project. You understand me? The people actually want more. You see,
which people want more?
The fans or the audience want more.
So
that's why Sarkodie is doing the promotion. You see, and
this is Sarkodie's
we are here
strategy.
talking about. You get me? So if I'm in Accra and I'm going to tour even 4 radio stations here in Accra, bro. Those 4 radio, I'm talking for me. You understand me, bro? If I tell you the amount you are going to spend for those just 4 radio stations in Accra here.
But
As an upcoming artist,
listen,
bro,
I understand your point.
You go sweat.
So we are going back to the fund and all those things. And I'm saying there are other cheaper ways and means that you could promote your music without paying a kobo.
Yeah.
You could activate.
Yeah.
You see, this is the problem. You don't.
Bro.
Mainstream media isn't supposed to be the only focus for you. If they play your song, you see, when the song picks up on social media, they will pick it and play it without you paying a kobo.
You think so?
Oh, massa.
You think so?
Black Sheriff, he hates song. It be social media he start from. When he became big on social media, the mainstream media picked the song.
The
and played it.
money thing.
Yes.
I don't want to go there.
No, I understand what you are talking about. What I'm trying to say is, if you make an intentional effort to promote your song, put in the work.
yeah,
But
they are
if they are
supporting.
going to, if you think, say, if you go and give 1,000 Ghana cedis to a DJ where you play your song why don't invest in digital marketing for your video?
Yeah,
because at the end of the day, you are going to reap from that.
Sheldon. But how are you going to do it digitally so it reaches more people?
By trying to do targeting and boosting, you have to push your content to the news
targeting
feed.
and boosting, and from there I hate it.
No, what are you talking about? I'm not saying.
I'm trying to let you know something.
Music is what is the aim? Why are you doing music?
Yeah, I'm doing music to actually promote myself and get myself on the better.
You need to get money from it, right?
Yeah.
So your return on investment is
that's
supposed
my
to be
work.
monetary. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, if you put music online, let's say YouTube, you target it to the right people, and let's say you spend like $100 on it in a month.
Yeah.
You put it and you get
on
let's
it
say.
in a month.
I'm just saying
$500.
hypothetically. Hypothetically, you put it out there. Do you know the returns you go figure from YouTube? Now, how do you? I'm talking from the angle of me being a YouTuber, and I know what you can get from it.
Yeah, I know. You can check me on YouTube right now.
Let's move on to the next topic.
Bro, we cannot there show though. Whoa.
Let's move on to the next topic. We will come back to you. Now,
mafia.
We have the fufu. Let's talk about that.
Promote yourself.
Yeah,
The mafia.
Fufu on Pokwasi in touching. Now, yes, let us fix our attitude and fix ourselves. Now, me say one way, mon tona mo fa me share man, mami free and come go Togo. They have built an interchange to help people, like to help ease traffic. Share. Legends. You see, and the way they vest me with the people where they sit there comfortably, then they just almost do fufu. Yes, fufu on the bridge. Look.
With the pounding, fresh pounding.
If some driver make mistake where he fail braking all of them, they are going condemned to treble. Then they will come and say, the president should come and support the family. We are the Grammy. We look. Fix your attitude or fix the country. Talk to me, madam. That is the legends for you.
It's bizarre. Like, I don't understand.
They say, we believe it.
I mean, this is strange. This is really, really strange to me. And I think the people involved should actually be
They've been arrested.
Exactly.
And fined.
Exactly.
I mean, they fined them.
Because come to think of it, this is a main street.
Yes.
You are prone to just
everything.
Everything.
You see, now this will serve as a place for people to learn.
Yes.
No one will go and say, "Ye giant kofo we wo ha ochina obi ton die ho ochina obi ton your friends."
That be how you start.
Exactly. Imagine if we had sacked the first person
Packed.
who came to beg on the principal streets of Accra.
Yeah.
The neighbor too. I wish kwan. So I wouldn't say go munyina maho.
Yeah.
Now we have all of them from airport to 37. Obie bege. Do you understand? Meanwhile, all diplomats consuls passed there.
Yeah.
It's yet me saki we ya obi anko hobi. I think the fine should be very, very huge, that it will touch the person's heart and his family members' hearts.
Okay. Vynkay. So with the legends in
Bro.
Yes. With the don't say anything. Please. More Vynkay, you know, I'm for to no freestyle because a Jana. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to end the show by letting your man perform his song. Okay, Obe performing in you, but madam, thanks for coming to the show. Please, and for the show, remember my makeup on my new mama. What be your social media handles?
Brush Up on all social media. Brush Up GH on all social media.
Brush Up GH. Okay, I will come. Yes, my boss. What's YouTube? What be your name and things?
Vynkay BRF.
Vynkay what?
BRF.
What is BRF?
Born Royalty Family.
Oh.
And I'm the prince.
You are the prince.
Yeah, I'm here to bring in my record label to
Prince, there goes bed, relax.
Yeah, record label, you know. Yeah, so you know.
Okay,
yeah,
I feel you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we go end the show here.
Sheldon, I need to say hello to some people.
Oh, to your boyfriend. Okay, go ahead.
Obviously, to Kwadwo Sheldon.
Okay.
Say thank you for the support. You
Kwadwo Sheldon. You see
such
the way
an
you mention
amazing person.
Yeah.
To my brother.
Okay.
I have a brother. He's really nice.
Is that you said the love?
The love, yeah, that's
Wait,
his name.
The short guy.
No, what short guy?
There's the love,
He's not short.
I guess.
No.
The
The love, yes,
that's
David
my
the love.
boy.
To my sister Mamike, to Michael of Africa, to my friends.
Okay.
I have this nice group of friends, and they are amazing. My birthday, they really celebrate me, and I want to say a very big thank you to everybody from Raya, Kosiarine, Tracy, Tracy, Youth People. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for being very nice to me. I appreciate it.
Charlie, why am I not interested?
So straight, I go by the name Vynkay.
Okay.
Vynkay.
Okay.
On all social media platforms, stream my songs loud. Hey, you go see movies, so singles and series. So what are they see to there be one episode? Problem after problem. Only God go fit to solve them. So my haters fire bonded. And Rami boy Juma, my Dante, gonna show me your boy. And I mean on about me kokoi. Imenoko, yachi me chofa. Okay, man, I'm a fan. Oh no, show me your boy. And I mean on about me kokoi. Imenoko. Yeah, on my What's it then? Whenever them see we smile, let them say everything be okay. When them see we smile, oh yeah. See, whenever them see we laughing, yeah. Let them say everything be cool. I say what's it be cool? What's it be cool? Oh, say yeah, they are we know they feel the pain. We know they feel the pain. Say yeah, they are we know they feel the pain. We know they feel the pain again. Say problem after problem. Only God go fit to solve them. So my haters fire bonded. And I'm boy Juma, my Dante, and I'm in on about me kokoi. Imenoko, yachi me chofa. Okay, man, I'm a fan. Oh no,